Hey there, Geminis. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be your reading for January 2022. So, how I do this is people who've been following me would know. Right now, I'll be looking at the overall theme for the month for you in two halves, first half and second half, first 15 days, remaining 15 days. And then I'll look at your career and relationships separately. Okay? Also, while watching this, remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So take what resonates and leave what does not. All right. So let's look at this. Let's see, Geminis, how does the first 15 days of January look like for you? Okay, 1 second. First 15 days of January, Gemini. Observer. So you will be thinking, like you usually do. Geminis think a lot. Sorry. So yeah, I see that you will be thinking, you will be introspecting a lot of things. I see a lot of calmness here. I don't see you feeling upset or sad or feeling anxious about anything at this point. I see more of trying to figure out a lot, like maybe trying to figure out how the future looks like for you, what's going to happen next, etc., etc. So, majorly, what I pick up from here is that you are in a zone of not contemplation. Looking, I mean, this is just giving me as a feeling that okay, you want to know the energy of what's next in your life. Maybe there you're not contemplating about anything, you're just kind of looking at things and observing the energies and understanding where your life is moving and where could it possibly be. So you are in a lot of a thinking mode currently and you want to do that. Like it's not out of compulsion that the universe is forcing you, but now, that could also mean that you're intuitively being guided to think, but in general, this is what I'm picking up, that you want to think, you want to understand things, you want to think. Okay. Now let's see how does the remaining 15 days look for you in January 2022. Remaining 15 days, Gemini. Okay, remaining 15 days, you're slowly moving towards a treasure. Slow, but you're slowly moving towards what you truly are, probably after figuring out answers to certain things. This is in the direction of your dreams and towards your happiness. This is what I pick. And you are happy. You're happy in this space. You're feeling good. Okay. You're feeling nourished also. And it's a very thought through decision now. It's not like happening in the heat of the moment. It's very thought through. You're significantly thinking about this whole decision and slowly moving in that direction. Okay. Um, I also feel somewhere that there is a map or there is some navigation that you have. Maybe this phase of you of observing things is about navigation. You are navigating certain things in your life and you're reaching a conclusion which is good, which is in your favor. You feel happy, you feel very, very nice about the whole thing. But yeah, I see overall movement in January. I see overall stable movement towards something that will open a very good opportunity in your life, a very good, happy opportunity. So, this is a balanced thing, something that gives you stability and happiness both. All right. Now, let me see how does your career look like or your professional life look like for the month of January. Professional life for the month of January. I had a feeling. Ace of Wands, Knight of Wands, woo, Five of Cups, and Three of Pentacles. You're leaving a particular sad feeling behind, and there is a forward movement. You're approaching something with a lot of fire in you. I am seeing inspiration. I am seeing a driving force in you which is pushing you to not look at the cons of certain things but look at the pros. I am also seeing that at this point of your life, you're very balanced, you're very stable, and you feel a certain sense of push to achieve something because you're being driven by a particular goal, or there is a picturization of something in your mind, and that is what is acting as a drive. And professional life looks absolutely stunning. You are not going to be sad. You're not, I mean, I don't see you. I'm actually seeing you initially, probably you could have been someone who used to focus a lot on, oh my god, what's going to happen if I do this. You're taking risks right now. I'm seeing that you're taking big risks in your life in January, and they all are working in your favor. I don't have negative cards. Now, probably you were not being able to take that risk initially because you were operating from a space of negativity, and that can be not really helpful or beneficial for you at this stage. Okay, now let's see how does your relationships look like for the month of January. Your relationships for the month of January. Your relationships for the month of January 2022. 10 of Sacred Circles, which is 10 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups, Ace of Swords, Prince of Cups, 8 of Cups, 2 of Swords, the Sun. You're deciding to be happy. You are deciding to walk away from anything that is less than what you truly want. You want happiness. Okay? The universe is presenting an offer to you, and you know it. Okay? You know it. And now you are going to take it up, is what I feel. You achieved something in a particular relationship or something like that, and now you want something else. You want to move in a particular direction, and you're doing it. So the decision making part of it is towards the sun, which is towards happiness, which is towards what actually makes you truly, truly happy. That's what you're doing in the month of January. You're pretty good vibes, Gemini, in January. So I feel happy about it. Let's see what is the advice for you here. Okay, this particular rune is called Wunjo, and it gives me a sense of pillar. The advice to you here is certain things you cannot do alone, okay? Certain things cannot keep going on the same way. The ways have to change. Faithfulness, union, helping others is an energy that you now need to be in so that you can get to where you truly want to be. That is what I'm picking up. So, energetically, if you want to align yourself to a certain level, you have to now embrace these energies in your life, which is what I'm picking up from here. Okay. All right, Geminis. So that is what I have for you. Runes readings are open and private readings in general are open. Runes, I just started. I was doing runes for a while, but now I've started to offer it. So if you want, you can go ahead and book one. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I'll see you soon with more readings. And let me know in the comments if this was helpful. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.